Hey ladies, it's Mandy. Hey, I'm gonna walk you through today how to turn this mirror into a chalkboard. We all find great mirrors with these great frames, but we don't have another space for a mirror. So today, I'm gonna show you how to get those great frames, make it a chalkboard, and then use Chalk Couture to actually make a picture out of it. So stay with me, and I'm gonna walk you through the steps. It'll be in a recording because the steps will be a little too long for me to do in one session. So enjoy and let me know what you think. Bye. I just wanted to show you how I'm doing this. I had to actually do it in two sections, but I also wanted to show you that like the back of it has a grid so that you can cut pretty straight lines. I just kind of measured out the mirror and then cut my pieces. You honestly probably want to do it just a little bit of an overlap if you can. So you don't really see the mirror, but that's just kind of one of my tips. But you can see that I still have some air bubbles at the top. I don't think it's going to be that noticeable once I do my design and stuff on it. If you're a perfectionist, you might want to start with a smaller project just to see if that's something you can get to. But then I just take my squeegee or this is a Pampered Chef food scraper, and I just follow the bubbles out. So I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to get like the most noticeable ones out. So once we get it done, you'll see that you probably can't really tell all the air bubbles. I've put my paste on it, so now I'm gonna take it off and see what it looks like. Okay, girls, that's it. What do you guys think? I think it turned out pretty cute.